Is she truly interested, or is she just being nice? Well, here are the signs. Number one, she takes initiative or gives you a specifics, gives you clues of what she likes so you can go ahead and organize something for her. Number two, consistency. If she needs to cancel, she just doesn't leave you vague answers like, I'll see you when I see you. Or, well, hopefully next time I'll see you around. She actually gives you a date and time that works for her so you can follow up. And number three, she's genuinely curious about you. She asks deep questions, not just the small talk, like the ha ha ha, and then changes the subject because she doesn't want to get into deep conversation.